Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back. So guys, today we will make another seamless pattern, another nature pattern with the help of these images. I have this butterfly. You can see over here I have this butterfly and I have this butterfly. You can see these are so cute. I have downloaded these from yandex.com. You can download any of the images from there free, totally free. So guys, first of all, I'm going into my file. I'm taking a new file of size. I'm taking into pixels. In the size, I'm taking to 400 by 400. Guys, you can take here the size according to your taste which you want. So guys, here the resolution, if you want, you can see here the resolution I have 72, but if you want the resolution for your fabric print, you can take it, you have to take it 300. I'm taking 300 because I want this for my print. And the color mode, you can take RGB, but if you want to have this for your print, then take the CMYK. These are the rules basically. So the background contents, I've taken transparent. Here in the name, you can change your name. I'm hitting OK. Guys, now the new document is opening. My dear friends, you can see over here I have this butterfly. With the help of this move tool, this is called move tool, and its shortcut is simply V. With the help of this, I'm just dragging this over here into my this document. The image is very large, so I need to resize this image. Simply now, first of all, I'm pressing Ctrl minus and then Ctrl T. Ctrl T is the shortcut key to transform. You can see over here I have this. I'm pressing enter. Guys, you can see I have this image right here like this. Now if I want to give the offset to this picture, guys, offset is very good option. So simply go into the filter and here you have other option. You can see I have offset right here. Here simply give it 200 by 200. You can see guys, it has cut my image into 4 parts. Now you can see I have this butterfly. I'm dragging this here with the help of my move tool. That is very easy. I'm pressing Ctrl T to transform and Ctrl minus to zoom in. And press enter button. Guys, I have this image right here. Now again I'm going over here and I'm dragging this image over there because I want to sprinkle this on the whole my document. I'm repeating the whole process and see what I am doing.
La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la.
طعم الدنيا اتغير، فرحة قلبي بتكبر، وبطلتك بتغير، ما أحلك يا رمضان.
أنا دايما بستنى، على قلبي ما أغلى، يا رب بلغنا طول.
Guys, on this background layer, I'm just going to change the color with the help of this color picker. First of all, I'm picking any of the color and simply press Ctrl Alt backspace to fill the color. Alt backspace is shortcut to fill the color. Guys, let's check this pattern. I have this pattern made right here. I'm going into the edit and let's click on define pattern. You can name your pattern. I'm naming here BB. for butterfly, and I'm crossing these previous files Guys, now into the file, I'm taking a new file of size 1200 by 1200. Let's see how will this work. Guys, you can see here in the gradient tool you have this paint bucket tool. From here select the option pattern, and from here you have these patterns which you have made. I have the butterfly pattern right here, so I'm going to sprinkle over here. Guys, this is not looking too much that good. Guys, you can see if I select this move tool, and you can see here, guys, I have here this pattern. This is not that good because I have these butterflies. You can see these are not looking that much good. I have much mistakes here, so I'm just going to improve them. You can see here I had divided this butterfly into 4 parts. Then I placed this butterfly right here, and here I have placed just one butterfly. I just cut this butterfly into 4 parts, and I placed one part here and one part here. So I just go here and I define the pattern by simply clicking over here and hitting OK. Guys, you can see now if I go here into new, and I have the size 1200 by 1200 and hit OK. Just to test this pattern, I'm selecting this bucket and I have the pattern here. You can see, guys, you can see this before pattern, this was not that good, and this after pattern, this is good. There is no mistake now in this pattern. So guys, this is all for today. You can even change your colors in the background. Let me show you how. Guys, simply click on this. Guys, simply click on this layer, and from here make the solid color adjustment layer. Guys, from here you can change your colors. You can change your colors from here and have the super cool effects. So guys, this is all for today. We'll tomorrow come back with another video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye.